My name is Angel Goodrich and my title is manufacturing operator. I am in commercial outdoor and I just build outdoor light fixtures, so your hospital parking lot lights, your parking garage lights, anything you can see outside on the streets or wherever you can drive your car. At the end of the day, I feel important in everybody's everyday life, because without parking garage lights, you can't see in a parking garage. Without lights down your streets, you can't see where you're going for your walks. And it just kind of makes you feel like involved in your community, really. Working with Acuity, there's definitely a lot of room for growth if you want to grow. There's always some sort of position or some sort of what they call a bid job where you can move up from your manufacturing operator. It's easy as long as you kind of know what you're doing and you really want to do it. They encourage it. They really encourage growth, and if you want to do something, they will provide you all the tools that you need to try to do it. I love the people. That's really, in my opinion, one thing that really keeps a lot of people here is we've all kind of become a family and we work really well together. I've made a lot of friends here. I've made a lot of people that I consider very close to me. And it's just fun. It's a fun environment when you're with the people you want to be with all day.